Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Polio Jr. And in today's video, I will be doing two things. One, I will be doing my best not to say as much or at all. And two, I am giving you a little teaser on how to see and accept blocks on Amazon Flex a lot quicker than what you could do with just your thumbs. So this is Nox Player, which is an Android emulator on which I did a review in the past about. So, and then the other program is called Free Mouse Clicker, and Free Mouse Clicker is double clicking every millisecond on the refresh button. So in that way, I can see the jobs, the blocks come up a lot quicker, and I'm able to accept them. So I can see them, then accept them faster than most of the other people would. Some people have just great timing, there's the first Some people have great timing and just know when to do it. So I'll give them, total props for that. But for an app that relies on you having to do this on your phone until you see a block is just absolutely crazy. So I'm not doing it. I mean, I'll do it if I'm out on the road and so forth. But if I need to get a job for the afternoon, like I already have, I have one at 1 o'clock, and I was able to do it through this. And yes, I probably could have done it through my phone by sitting there and tapping and, getting it as quickly as possible, before somebody else accepted it. But I just tried it this way and see what would happen, and it worked out great. So this thing is clicking a hell of a lot faster. I was testing it last night, and then testing it a little bit this morning, and it's been working great. I was going to make this teaser video using my screen recorder, but the screen recorder couldn't even keep up with and the phone is even doing its best to keep up with how fast it's clicking. So, I mean, you see it. You see down there how fast it's clicking. And when I look with my eyes instead of with the actual phone, it's going even quicker. But it's still better than what the screen recorder was showing. But that's how fast it's going. So I will definitely see a block that gets forfeited or a block that gets released before anybody else, and then I just stop the program, accept the block, and click on the block, then accept it, and that's it. So since I'm 1 to 5, nothing will show up until 5 o'clock and after for today, or if anything else comes up tomorrow. So it is what it is. So by the time I have to leave today, if there aren't any 5s that get released, and if there is a 5 o'clock and on, or 5, a 5:30, a 6, whatever, that is going to be available, I will 100% see it. No question, I will see it, and will probably be one of the top 5 people that sees it first. Absolutely no question about it. So I had plenty of time when about a half hour ago I was doing this, and I saw the 1 o'clock pop up, and I had plenty of time to click on the 1 o'clock and accept it and be done. So I have no doubt in my mind that this is a more efficient way. I've seen some other ways that are a little nutty. This is definitely, this is a little nutty, but it's not too nutty. So, and like I said, I will definitely guide you step by step on how to do this. It is extremely easy. Even if you are using an iPhone, you can use the Android emulator. All you need is your Gmail account, and you'll be perfectly fine. And you don't even need your Gmail account, because Amazon Flex doesn't download through the Google Play Store. So you don't even need to sign in with Nox Player. No, you do. You do. I'm sorry. You do need to sign in because there are some extra steps inside of Nox Player, the emulator, that we have to do in order to make this work. So we have to set it up like it's a cell phone. And damn, well, that was more of a than a So, but that's really all I have for today. And hopefully I will have that video out tonight or tomorrow. I will do my best. I did make it, but I would like to keep you guys on your toes, which I'm sure you are. I'm sure you just can't wait. Like, this is the most exciting thing that he's gonna release ever. I doubt it, but there it is. Okay, so I'm gonna leave now. Like I said, even though it's clicking at an incredible speed, I'm not going to see anything unless somebody forfeits a 5 o'clock and on, a 5 o'clock or later. So it is what it is, but I just wanted to show you just wanted to give this a little teaser about the free mouse clicker and Nox Player, running them at the same time. It does work. It definitely does work. If I didn't accept any jobs, if I didn't accept at 1 o'clock, I would be seeing, just this whole thing would be just boo, 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 boo. It would just be like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And that's what it was doing earlier. Really, really cool stuff. So please stay tuned for the next video in which I show you how to do this instead of just showing you how I do it. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.